Hello and welcome to Senior Healthcare. I'm Dr. Michael Harris, and today we're diving into one of the most important and often overlooked secrets to staying strong as we age. If you're over 60, you probably already know how hard it can be to keep your muscles strong. Maybe you've noticed your legs aren't as powerful as they used to be, or getting up from a chair feels a little tougher than before. What if I told you that simply taking the right vitamins at night could help your body rebuild muscle while you sleep? In this video, you'll discover the 4 essential vitamins that work best at night to restore muscle strength, improve recovery, and even support your energy for the next day. But I'll also reveal 2 vitamins you should avoid at night because they can actually disrupt your rest and weaken your progress. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a simple evening routine you can follow to make these vitamins work even better for you. Before we begin, if you care about your health and want more tips on staying strong, active, and independent after 60, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about which vitamin you're taking right now. Your story could help inspire another senior watching today. All right, let's get started. Number 1, why muscle weakens with age. As we age, our bodies naturally go through changes that affect muscle health. This process is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Starting as early as your 40s but becoming more noticeable after 60, your body begins to break down muscle faster than it can build it back. Here's why this happens. Lower hormone levels. Testosterone, estrogen, and growth hormone naturally decline with age, all of which are important for muscle repair. Reduced protein absorption. Even if you're eating enough protein, your body doesn't process it as efficiently as it did when you were younger. Less physical activity. Many seniors slow down because of joint pain, fatigue, or medical conditions. Less movement means weaker muscles. Nutrient deficiencies. If you're not getting enough vitamins and minerals, your muscles can't recover properly. Now here's the good news. While we can't stop aging, we can slow down muscle loss and even rebuild strength by giving our body the right nutrients at the right time. And nighttime is one of the most powerful times to help your muscles recover. Number 2, why nighttime matters for muscle repair. Why take vitamins at night instead of the morning? The answer is simple. Your body does most of its repair work while you sleep. When you close your eyes at night, your body goes into recovery mode. Growth hormone is released. Muscles repair tiny tears from daily activity. Tissues regenerate. Your brain processes memories. If you provide your body with the right nutrients before bed, those vitamins work together with your natural repair cycle. Think of it like giving your body the tools and building blocks it needs to do its best work while you rest. That's why today I'll walk you through the 4 best vitamins to take at night for rebuilding muscle, and 2 that you should avoid because they interfere with sleep or muscle recovery. Number 3, the 4 vitamins to take at night. Vitamin number 1, magnesium. Let's start with magnesium. This mineral doesn't get enough credit, yet it plays over 300 roles in the body. For muscle health, magnesium relaxes your muscles and prevents nighttime cramps, improves sleep quality so your muscles can repair, helps regulate energy production inside muscle cells. In fact, studies show that older adults who take magnesium at night experience fewer leg cramps, better rest, and stronger muscle recovery. Best sources: almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, or a magnesium supplement, like magnesium glycinate, which is easier on the stomach. Tip: take magnesium about an hour before bed with a glass of warm water. Not only does it calm your muscles, but it also helps you drift into deeper sleep. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D. Next, we have vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Most people know vitamin D for bone health, but did you know it's also critical for muscle strength? Without enough vitamin D, your muscles become weak, recovery slows down, and balance can suffer, leading to higher fall risk in seniors. Why at night? Vitamin D helps regulate calcium and muscle contraction, but when taken with your evening meal, especially if it contains healthy fats, it absorbs better. Plus, pairing it with magnesium makes it work even more effectively. Best sources: fatty fish like salmon, fortified milk, or supplements. If you've been feeling weaker, especially in your legs, low vitamin D could be the silent culprit. Vitamin number 3, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for seniors, especially for energy and muscle repair. As we age, our stomach produces less stomach acid, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. This is why many older adults in the U.S. are deficient without even realizing it. B12 supports red blood cell production, which carries oxygen to muscles, nerve health, critical for coordination and balance, energy metabolism, so muscles don't feel weak or fatigued. Taking B12 at night helps your body use it during the repair process while you sleep. Best sources: eggs, dairy, fish, or a B12 supplement. Methylcobalamin is a highly absorbable form. Vitamin number 4, vitamin C. Finally, let's talk about vitamin C, the muscle protector. Most people think vitamin C is only for the immune system, but it also helps produce collagen, the protein that supports muscles, tendons, and ligaments, reduces inflammation from daily wear and tear, speeds up muscle recovery after activity. When taken at night, vitamin C helps repair micro tears in muscles that happen during the day, making you stronger over time. Best sources: oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, or a simple supplement. Number 4, the 2 vitamins to avoid at night. Now, just as important as knowing what to take is knowing what not to take at night. Avoid number 1, vitamin B6. While B6 is important for metabolism and brain health, taking it at night can actually keep you awake. It stimulates brain activity and may cause vivid dreams or restlessness. For seniors who already struggle with sleep, this can be a real problem. Take B6 in the morning instead. Avoid number 2, multivitamins with iron. Iron is essential for preventing anemia, but it can be tough on the stomach. Taking iron at night often causes digestive discomfort, heartburn, or even constipation, things that can interfere with restful sleep. Iron is best taken earlier in the day with food. Number 5, evening routine for stronger muscles. So how do you put this all together? Here's a simple evening routine you can follow. Eat a light, balanced dinner with protein and healthy fats. About an hour before bed, take magnesium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and vitamin C. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and heavy meals late at night. Stretch gently before bed to relax muscles. Turn off screens and create a calm environment for quality sleep. Do this consistently and you'll give your body the best chance to rebuild muscle strength naturally. So there you have it, the 4 vitamins to take at night for stronger muscles and the 2 to avoid if you want the best results. Remember, growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. With the right nutrients, habits, and care, you can stay active, independent, and strong well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with a friend or family member who could benefit. And don't forget to comment below. Tell me which vitamin you're currently taking or which one you plan to add to your evening routine. This is Dr. Michael Harris, wishing you strong muscles, deep sleep, and vibrant health. See you in the next video.